Walk with me while I tell you how I was able to make enough money to quit my teaching career and move to Greece. Okay, let's take it back a few years. I was a burnt out teacher for 8 years, okay? I thought teaching was my passion. It was at one point, but then when I had my own family, I was too tired for my own family by the end of the day with teaching all these kindergartners, which I loved, absolutely loved, but I was just too tired. It drained my energy. There was not enough time for me to even cook dinner at night, or enough energy to cook dinner at night, or to do the household chores, or to like live my life with my family and watch my daughter grow up. I just knew that there was so much more to life than going to a job 40 hours a week and then being exhausted on my free time, guys. There's so much more to life. So I knew I had to make a change, and my husband and I also wanted to move to Greece. We've come here for many summers and always wanted to stay. So we're like, how can we make this happen? So I started looking online for different side hustles. I tried a bunch of side hustles, failed at a bunch of side hustles, and then oh my gosh, wait, look how pretty these flowers are first. Hold on. I don't know if you can see them. There's pink ones and purple ones and yellow ones. Okay, sorry, I get a little bit sidetracked. But then I stumbled across one that finally worked, and it worked for myself. I even taught my husband how to do it. I taught my parents how to do it. I taught probably thousands of people how to do it at this point. If you're not following me already, subscribe so I can teach you how to do it too, if this is something that interests you. It's called Etsy plus print on demand, and I'm going to tell you what it is in a nutshell, but if you want to know more, then you just subscribe and you'll learn everything for free on my channel. But basically what it is in a nutshell is you make a cute design. Hold on, there's cars coming. So basically you make a cutesy design, and you can make the design on your laptop, on a computer, on an iPad, on an iPhone, any of those things. It's so much easier now in 2025 than it was when I first started a couple years ago. It's just getting easier and easier with all the tools out there. But basically you make a cute design. You could do it in a platform like Canva, and there's free design platforms, and you can make a simple design and you place that design onto a product within PRINTIFY. PRINTIFY is the printing company I use to print all of my designs onto products and ship them to my customers. I mostly sell t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, tote bags, and occasionally other products that I see that are like trending on Etsy, because PRINTIFY has hundreds of products that you could sell. So like if you've always wanted a journal shop, there you go. You don't have to make it yourself. If you've always wanted a t-shirt shop, there you go. PRINTIFY has it covered. You don't have to do it yourself. That's the thing that freed me up, because initially I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I get very excited talking about this, but initially I was going to start a t-shirt shop, and I brought all the materials and all the machinery to make them myself. Hundreds of dollars to make my own t-shirts. And then I found out about PRINTIFY, where you don't have to touch a single product. They do it all for you. So you don't have to worry about putting out a bunch of money for inventory that might get wasted, because you don't have to pay a thing until you make a sale. Every time you make a sale on Etsy, PRINTIFY you'll pay PRINTIFY for the product and to ship it, and then you keep the difference from the Etsy customer. So there's not a lot of overhead with this. I tried Amazon FBA, where I had to put out thousands of dollars for products that were being shipped from China to me, and it was thousands of dollars, and some of the products never even sold. So I was like out at a loss of thousands of dollars. Whereas with this, there's not like really an overhead to it. You only really have to pay for the $15 to sign up on Etsy, and for some people it's $29 for some reason, but you just pay that startup cost, and then after that it's 20 cents for every listing, and then when you make a sale there are some fees and stuff. But it's so worth it to me to spend those little fees than to waste a bunch of money on inventory, or to have like a brick and mortar shop where you're like paying like for rent of the building. It's such a low cost business. Anyways, let me get back to it. So yeah, you make a cute design, and you place it on whatever product you want in Printify, and you list that to Etsy. You don't need the physical product in hand as a sample to list on Etsy. You just need a picture of it, and I teach how to do that too. Like, you don't have to touch a physical product ever to sell them. You can make what's called a mock-up photo, where, like, let's say for t-shirts, it's a picture of a blank t-shirt, and then I digitally bring the design onto that picture of the blank t-shirt, and that's the picture that I list on Etsy. And when someone purchases that product, Printify then prints that design onto the product, packages it up nicely, and ships it to my customers for me. This is called print on demand, and it seriously changed my life. Within 1 year, I was able to quit my teaching position, and then the following year, I was able to move to Greece with my family. I'm gonna start walking back this way, back towards our spot, because the baby is napping. So I don't know how long I have, but yeah, so it really changed my life. I'm not gonna say it's easy and that it's definitely not a get rich quick overnight thing. I put in a lot of time, a lot of hours, a lot of learning. Just know that, like, when you put your mind to something, like, it's not rocket science. Anybody can do this if you're willing to learn and willing to do what it takes to be successful with it. It's changed my life in so many ways. Like, yeah, you know, the financial freedom, the time freedom, but also I've, like, found a new side of myself, like more confidence, and it just made me believe in myself more, being able to actually accomplish this. And then, like, now that I teach other people too, it's just been so amazing to help not only change my life and my family's lives, but, like, your life. It's just been so fun. And I know I'm not the only one teaching this. I know other people out there play a big part in your guys' Etsy journey or business journeys, but I'm happy to be a small part of that if I can be. So this didn't even, like, scratch the surface of what Etsy and print on demand is, but it gives you a little bit of a taste if you've never heard of it. And if it intrigues you, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to ask me any of your questions in the comment section. I will either answer them right there, then and there, or if I get enough questions, I will compile them into one video for you guys so that you can learn more. No question is a silly question here. We all start from somewhere. So if anything at all you want to know, it was probably a question of mine at one point too, so I'm here to help. And yeah, that's basically it in a nutshell. I felt inspired to make this video just now because we were sitting by the pool, and I still just can't believe that this is my life. I know, it's like I'm a couple years into it and I still can't believe that this is my life. Sorry, another truck is going by. And how attainable it was, and how there's people, I have imposter syndrome, there's people walking by, and how if I never said yes to this opportunity, I would still, and there's nothing wrong with this, but I would still be spending 40 plus hours a week inside a classroom. Nothing wrong with that if that's your passion. But for me, it was no longer a part of my soul's purpose. Like, I just needed more for myself and for my family. And I'm so happy that, like, I followed my intuition and, like, went for it, you know? And, like, I want that for anybody who's watching this and feels that pull for something else too. And maybe it's not Etsy print on demand, but maybe this will inspire you to go after something that has been on your mind, because you can do anything that you put your mind to. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please comment "keep walking" in the comment section. Thank you for walking with me. I gotta go back in case my baby wakes up. Don't worry, he wasn't unattended. My husband's there too, but you know, he's gonna want his mama. Anyways, guys, talk to you soon.